Hello guys, so welcome for our 10th video tutorial in C. So guys, we're going to talk about the basic logical operators and we're going to apply them in C. But before that guys, I just want you to tell you something about sa mga previous lessons natin. So ito guys, diretso ko na. So you can follow me guys if you want. If ayaw nyo, so okay lang, you can listen naman. So in this past tutorials, guys, sa if else, we always compare integers, di ba? So, pag-isipan ko kung nag-curious ba kayo kung paano if i-compare natin ang character. For example, character letter is equal to C. So, i-check natin if you want guys to check if a specific character is equal to another character, kung pareho ba sila, you can use the equal operator. So, for example, if letter is equal to C itself. So, printf, yes. Yun lang guys ang natin para save tayo sa time. Printf, no. So, just means guys na tine-check niya if the variable letter which is equal to lowercase c, small letter c, kung equal ba siya sa itong specific na item na to. So, when we run this guys, kung you're following me, you have to save it first, then yes. Kaya it is true, so gagawin niya to. So, what if kung ano to, for example, capital letter A, or okay, capital letter A, then it is no. So, paano kung capital letter C? Magkapareho ba yan? Of course, it's no. Kasi capital letter C and lowercase c, small letter c is different. So, what if guys kung ginamit natin yung greater than and less than operator. So, mag-work pa rin yan. Pero, tingnan nyo kung bakit. So, bakit yes? So, guys, there's one thing we call the ASCII code. So, just think of the ASCII code, guys, like, itong character na to, in the ASCII code, itong character na to, meron tong value na integer. For example, look, I've searched the internet about ASCII code. So, you can visit the site, guys, if you want. I'll post it in the description. So, for example, this is the small letter C. The ASCII code of it is 99. So, parang guys, just think of it may value siyang ASCII code na 99. So, and this is for the big letter C. May ASCII code siyang 67. So, hanggang Z po yan. Hanggang Z. Hanggang C po siya. Capital and small. Uppercase and lowercase. So, try natin guys. So, it just means na, for example, the ASCII code for letter for lowercase c is equal to 99. Sulat natin guys para ano natin. The ASCII code for big letter C is 67. So, let's try and run this guys. Letter is equal to C. Excuse me. Letter is equal to C. So, the ASCII code of it is 99. So, it's check ba if greater than capital letter C, which the ASCII code is 67. So, it's just parang nagko-compare ka lang naman guys ng integer. So, letter, which is equal to C, the ASCII code is 99. Is it greater than capital letter C? The ASCII code is 67. So, is 99 greater than 67? Yes. So, the answer is yes. Mag-true. Ang condition na to, pupunta siya dito, then yun. So, what if i-try natin guys na less than? So, yun. No. Kaya, bakit no? Kasi, 67, I mean, 99 is not less than 67. Because letter, the value is C, and its ASCII code is 99. Is it less than 67? Of course, no. 99 is greater than 67. So, yun po guys. So, yun lang naman po. Wait guys, can I pause the video first? Madali lang po. Madali lang. So guys, welcome back po. So, yun. Kumuha lang po ako guys ng tubig kasi I got thirsty. So, yun lang po. So, yun guys, kinoment out ko guys. So, yun. By the way guys, this is also applicable for the less than or equal and greater than or equal. So, yun lang naman guys, parang nagko-compare ka lang po ng integer. So, yun. I just leave it sa comments para at may guide kayo. So, yun guys, let's talk about the how to apply the and the or operators in C. So, paano nga ba yan guys? So, let's make a simple program po. Let's make a code na mag-enter tayo ng integer. Let's make it integer na lang. So, enter your number. Enter your number. Let's make it backslash n para mag-next line. So, declare pala muna tayo ng integer number. Let's not initialize it cause hihingi tayo sa user. Of course. Then, the format specifier. Alam nyo na yan guys. Then, the ampersand. Then, the number. Kung saan isa-store yung data na in-enter. So, yun guys. Let's make a basic application ng and or. Kasi guys, ulit-ulit na ako, pero at least you know na when you know the basics, kayang-kaya na yung advanced stuffs and things are just for you to discover na lang. So, for example, if number is less than, let's make it greater than 10, number is greater than 10, and, I'm sorry guys, so, hindi yun ang tamang symbol sa C. The symbol for the AND operator for C is double ampersand. If number is less than, for example, less than 20, then yun. Guys, suggestion ko lang, it is also a good programming practice na you put parenthesis sa ganito. Why? Because at least para organize ang code nyo. Parang hindi magulo. So, kasi what if kung tatlo yan, may isa pa ditong and, then another condition. So, pwede po yun guys. So, let's try it later. Pero sa ngayon, dalawa lang muna. So yun. Let's just print f guys na yes kung magtutrue ang statement na to and else no. So para at least guys madali. So thanks. Print f no. This guys, you can get no. So let's run this. Enter tayo sa user. So guys, let's assume that we have entered, for example, 22. So, our number, the value of our number is going to be 22 kasi yun yung i-enter natin. So, if number is greater than 10. Is it true, guys? 22 is greater than 10? True. So, this condition here is true. And, the AND operator, guys, is number less than 22. Is number less than 22? False. Diba? False kasi 22 is not less than 20. So, true and false is what guys? Yes, tama. True and false is false. So, we are expecting na pupunta siya sa else kasi the whole statement, logically speaking, is false. So, when we press enter, pupunta siya sa no. So, yun lang po guys. Ganun lang naman po kasimple. Kahit let's make this 3. So, tatlong ganyan. So, let's, for example, let's make it number, let's have an equal to, let's say, 30. 30 pa na yan. So, excuse. So, let's run this, guys. Some basic stuffs lang naman po, guys. I just want you na maintindihan nyo kung how the and or operator works. Kasi once you naintindihan nyo yan and mag-experiment na lang kayo, yun, madali na lang yan para sa inyo. So, yun, guys. For example, we've entered, entered 30. 30. We entered 30. So we have entered 30. The value of our number will be equal to 30 kasi yun yung scan. If number is greater than 10, 30 greater than 10, true. Tama? True ang statement na to. And number 30 is less than 20 and 30 is less than 20, false. Kasi mas malaki ang 30. So, tandaan nyo lang guys ha, true na to, this is false, and number is equal to 30, 30 is equal to 30, guys, true. So, the whole statement will be true and false is false, then false and true is still false. So, the whole statement, logically speaking, will be false. So, when we press enter, it's still no. So, yun guys. So, kung tataka kayo, pwede ba akong maglagay dito ng or? Pwede guys. So, for example, let's make it or. Para at least, tinatry natin guys ang lahat ng possibilities. So, yun. For example, we've entered, enter 40. 40. Enter 40. So, our value of the number is 40. So, if number is greater than 10. 40 is greater than 10. True. This is true. And number is less than 20. So, 40 is less than 20. It is false. Diyan. It's false because greater than 40. Or number is equal to 40. It is false. Kasi 40 is not equal to 30. So, this is true, true, and nga to guys, false. True and false is false. So, false or false, tama? False or false is false. So, the whole statement, logically speaking, is false. When we entered, so, no. Pupunta siya dito. Hindi siya i-execute dito. So, yun po guys. Ganun lang naman po kasimple. So, let's try. Kahit ilan pa yan guys. Kahit maglagay pa kayo dito ng ng and, then, paano kung and to? Lahat yan and. And then, may and naman kayo. Kahit 5 pa yan guys. Kahit 5 pa yan. Once na may nag-false dyan ng isa, tandaan nyo, false na yan lahat. So, yun. Then, guys, can I comment out ko na lang to? Kasi, try natin yung sa or. I'll just comment out this guys. So, yun. Let's comment this out. Then, let's try naman sa or. Last na to. So, for example, if number is less than, for example, 10. If number is less than 10. Or, oops, sorry, ano ko yung keyboard, press something. Or, that is the symbol for or. So, if number is less than 10 or number is greater than, sabihin natin na 20. Let's just, again guys, print the yes, cause when we say yes, ibig sabihin lang naman, let's just say yes when the condition is true and no if mali. So, yun. No. So, yun guys. And, it's a very good programming practice again na lagyan nyo ng open and closing parenthesis. Ganyan guys. At least now, organized guys. Kasi, what if kung marami nga kayong condition? So, malilito yan. Makakalito na yan. Kahit yung computer, malilito yan. It's very good na, na in-organize. So, pala nag-rule rin yan guys sa PEMDAS. Inuuna yung parenthesis. So, let's make it run. Alisin ko muna to. Let's make it run. Compile and run. So, what if nag-enter tayo ng, say, 30. So, our number is 30. Kasi yun yung in-enter. Is number less than 10? 30 is less than 10? False. That is definitely false. 30 is not less than 10. This condition is false. The statement is false. O kaya, number is greater than 20. So, this is true. 30 is greater than 20. So, false or true is, tandaan nyo guys, or operator, kahit ilan pa yan, kahit maraming false pa yan, once na may isang nag-true, the whole statement, logically speaking, is true. So, when we press enter, so, we are expecting guys to be true kasi false or true is true. Yes. So, kaya siya the whole statement, logically speaking, is true. So, pupunta siya dyan. So, what if guys, may or pa dito? For example guys, number is equal to 2 or number is less than or equal to, sabihin natin 99, ganyan. We have 4 statements guys. For example guys, isa lang sa apat na to, halos lahat yan false, isa lang ang nag-true. For example, ito lang na pangalawang nag-true. Sabihin natin, itong tatlo false. Kahit mag-false yan, halos lahat, once na kahit may isa nag-true, dito yan pupunta. Kasi magto-true ang Kasi guys, yan ang the OR operator works. So, yun. That is how the OR operator works. So, what if guys, may AND dito? May AND. For example, number is equal to 40. Right guys? So, once we run and compile, what if we entered 40 nga? Let's enter 40. Tama? So, is number 40 less than 10? False. Because 40 is greater than 10. Mas malaki. Is number 40 greater than 20? True. So, and its number is equal to 40. So, this is false. This is false. False or true? False or true is true. So, and then sa part nito, so naano natin yan, false or true. So, this statement, logically speaking, is true. Kasi, or true and, what is this? Number is equal to 40. True. So, true and true is true. Kasi true. So, yes. Then, yun guys. Ganun lang naman po guys, kasimple. So, I hope guys na naintindihan niyo ako kasi what I said is a little bit tricky pag discuss ang mga or at least yun. By the way guys, you can look up for the ASCII code here, yung discuss natin kanina. I'll post it sa ano. So, yun lang naman po guys. So, I was thinking guys of giving you a challenge. Parang assignment. Kasi guys, I recommend you naman kung if you really want to learn how to code. So, practice lang guys. Practice. Comment out ko lang guys. Gusto kayong bigyan ng practice. Gawa kayo guys ng code. Parang C program lang na mag-a-ask sa user. For example, enter your number. At least guys, na-apply yun yung scanf na sa previous lessons natin. Mag-enter kayo ng number. Enter your number. Then, scanf. %i. Then, for example, a variable name is num. Int num. Then, gawa kayo ng code na once nag-enter akong number, for example, nag-enter akong 5, i-display niya kung yung 5 na yan, is it negative or positive number. So, yun guys. Comment, ilagay nyo lang sa comments yung answer nyo. So, yung pinakaunang makasagot, titingnan ko yan sa ano, pinakaunang makasagot ay may premyo sa akin. So, may coins.ph ba kayo na account? So, send ko kayo doon ng 50 pesos or 20 pesos, mga ganon. So, yun guys, take it as a challenge para sa ikakabuti nyo. So, again, so, gawa kayo guys ng code na once nag-enter ako ng number, for example, 100, or for example, -2. Nag-enter ako ng -2, i-display niya sa screen once na that ay press enter, i-display niya sa screen kung positive or negative ba yung number na yon. So, yun guys, madali lang naman yan. Thinking skills lang guys. So, yun guys, if you have further questions, please comment down below, and I hope na gawin nyo guys yon and take it as a challenge, as a practice para mas maging better kayo. So, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks!